Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix blurry screen on Windows 10 and 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go and search, look for display settings and click on it. Then you need to look for a scale and make sure it's on recommended tab, and then display resolution also is on recommended. Then you can go to graphics. Then, for example, if you have specifically blurry screen on your game or the app, you can go to expand this app here, and then make sure to set to high performance and look if the problem persists. If it's not working, go on search and you just need to write a view, advanced system settings, then go to advanced, you should see performance, select settings, and then select adjust for best appearance, and restart your computer, look if the problem persists. And if you have a blurry screen on a specific app, you can try this as well. So for example, if I go on Steam, I just need to right click on it, open file location, then right click again, open file location. Then you should see Steam exe. If you don't see Steam exe, you just need to press view, show, and then file name extensions. Then you need to right click on Steam exe, show more options, properties, compatibility, and then here you need to select change high DPI settings and select these two options here and press OK and apply the changes. Also, if this do not work, it can be your GPU or your Windows update. So you need to go to settings, make sure you are running with the latest Windows update here. If you have some downloads, you can install it and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU. I'm using NVIDIA, so I can go to NVIDIA app and I can look for drivers and install latest drivers here. If you don't have AMD or NVIDIA, I believe you can go to device manager, and then here you can look for display adapters and right click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.